This week on Riders Nation, if you like half helmets, then you're going to love the one I'm reviewing today. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Riders Nation YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to unbox and review a Kirsch helmet. First, a little background on Kirsch. So Kirsch helmets can be found at riderz.nation, Kirsh helmets.com. They're made 100% in the USA. I'm reading directly from their website. Their helmets are the most efficient at handling kinetic energy created in motor vehicle accidents. Reduces rotational acceleration more than any other motor vehicle crash helmet. They have unique technology which brings together style, safety, comfort, and improved performance. There are more than 1,200 deaths in the United States annually that would be considered preventable involving poor quality half-shell helmets. Kirsch helmets works to lower this statistic by bringing a more effective helmet to the marketplace. The U.S. marketplace includes over 9 million motorcycle riders, primarily men and women ranging from 35 to 55 years old. Kirsch Helmets manufactures and produces motor vehicle crash helmets. The helmet is the only helmet that is entirely produced in America. Kirsch's helmet design, granted in part by a perpetual license from Impact Technologies, is more efficient at handling kinetic energy that is created in motor vehicle accidents. The liner is constructed of a platinum-cured medical-grade silicone. The liner is injected with a high-quality silicone fluid. What do you guys say we crack this open and check this helmet out? Helmet comes in its own cool little bag. That wasn't supposed to happen. All right, this is a Kirsch helmet. Looks good. Very cool. Well, this is really where all the technology is, right here. Right, it's a liner filled with fluid. I don't know what kind of fluid it is, but it's a liner filled with fluid. It has Velcro on the inside. It Velcros into the helmet. It is surprisingly comfortable, I have to admit. The one thing I will say, I've had this, let's see how long I've had this. I bought this helmet about 2 months ago. I don't know how many miles I've put on this helmet, but I've put a few hundred miles on this helmet. So the good things, this liner, you can put it in the freezer or the refrigerator, and the cooling actually lasts longer than I expected it to, but it does help on the hot days. It does cool your head down. It does stop you from sweating for at least an hour, maybe even 2 hours sometimes, depending on how hot it is. It is, like I said, surprisingly comfortable. The one negative that I can say is it is heavy. It is definitely heavier. It's heavier than I have a Scorpion X07 full face helmet, and this half helmet is heavier than that. The good thing is, once you strap it on, and as long as you sit straight up and you don't lean your head from side to side or front to back, you really can't feel the weight of the helmet. I've done an hour and a half ride in this helmet. Hasn't gotten my neck tired. Doesn't make my neck hurt. I like the way the helmet looks. I will put the helmet on. Doesn't give you mushroom head. Doesn't give you mushroom head at all. Does have an adjustable chin strap. It's actually kind of a nice adjustable chin strap. Comes in gloss black, matte black. Also comes in at least one American flag design, which is a really nice design. Comes in like three different American flag style designs. Although I have to admit, if you go for the flag design, they're like $75 more. They got a couple other designs. I usually go with a matte black. They didn't have, where I bought this, they didn't have them, so I went with the gloss black. Where I bought this helmet, they were going to no longer carry Kirsch helmets. This helmet is on Kirsch's website for $275. And I actually paid $175 for this helmet. I usually wear a full face helmet, like I said, the Scorpion X07, but as a backup second helmet, this Kirsch helmet is definitely the way to go. It is DOT certified helmet. Personally, I think it's a really good buy. I think it's a really good product. It's an American-made product. I believe the company is a veteran-owned company, so that kind of stuff tends to be kind of important to me. If I'm going to give my money somewhere, I prefer to give it to an American company, and I prefer to give it to a veteran-owned company. That's really all I got for you guys today. I just thought this was a really cool product. Been looking at it for about 6 months before I bought it, and finally I pulled the trigger and bought it, and I wanted to use it for a couple months before I reviewed it and gave you guys my opinion. I think it's a great product that is definitely worth the money. That's all I got for you guys today. So as always, stay safe, live the dream.